What if one glance at one Maruti Suzuki report revealed everything about your car's health? Welcome to Factful Fridays. In today's episode, we'll walk you through how to read the vehicle health card and understand why it matters so much for your vehicle. The Vehicle Health Card's intuitive color code system makes understanding your car's health quick and effortless. Each vehicle component is clearly marked with green, amber, and red color-coded actions for easy understanding. Green means all systems are okay. Amber refers to systems or components which need monitoring, and we recommend planning a repair soon. Red highlights components that must be fixed immediately for safety and reliable performance. The Vehicle Health Card isn't just a report, it's an actionable guide that helps you take the right steps at the right time. Our service advisors will explain every action point in detail. We strongly recommend taking action as advised by Maruti Suzuki's experts for a smooth and hassle-free driving experience. Ensure to discuss your Maruti Suzuki's health report with your service advisor today. Visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki authorized workshop to get your vehicle health card with periodic vehicle servicing. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay informed and stay safe.